Yeah, we put.
Oh, why is that? Why does it look like that? It looks like an awful like flame effect.
Okay, why do you have a stick on the stairs? Here we go.
Nom 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 nom.
Toby like mowing in the front yard.
Tire's flat.
You were fucking your girlfriend.
I see it. No. Oh.
You wonder why it took me so long?
Because you were fucking your girlfriend.
Yeah, I
was hanging out with my
You're in
girlfriend
the
too,
forest.
yeah.
I knew it. I knew it. That's
Michael,
that's
you're in
right.
the forest. Part of it is the fact that this blew in fucking Kai's neighborhood.
Kai is bad luck in general.
Keys. Hey, George kept getting scared of the fucking zero turn.
No, that I have like PTSD from
perfect.
PSD.
Really?
PTSD.
I'm fucking hungry. I don't have food to do that.
Do we have?
And Michael's like, I don't have food to do that.
What is that?
Bed.
Oh, I got grease on my hand. It's not gonna come off.
We're all gonna go walk down to that pizza joint. I don't want to walk down there. Fuck
Shit.
that. I'll ride my tractor down there.
I'll ride the fucking diesel.
That's what I meant.
Guys, get out here, come on.
Fuckheads, get out. Michael's a better cameraman than you, bitch.
Do anything in the morning. That's why I hate it.
You look gay.
Oh no! George will literally die. He'll take a
Probably.
corner and flip over.
What the fuck are you doing?
Hey, come look at something. Stop your ass. Michael said, get anal. I was like, yeah, perfect for Michael. Don't do that. No, don't pull it out. Don't do that.
And I fell out. On that?
What is? Oh, the bugger.
Yeah, remember?
The bugger.
Yeah, remember when I was driving and I
Oh,
was.
is this one?
Open your mouth and close your eyes.
No.
Don't dare say that shit ever again.
Open your mouth, close your eyes.
You guys can walk and I'll just sit in here and be like, yeah, and you'll be like, fuck.
Before you leave. And this one almost says I ought.
You do realize, George, we're all fat bitches.
Dude, there's 4 teenagers.
Listen, we'll get pizza.
There's
we'll
4
get, like, a
fat
side of
bitches.
Go!
Going to film George's death and post it on the internet.
I heard it.
Yeah, no shit. I think everyone in a 5-mile radius heard that. Already are black. George K. Hello, forgot about you.
Stop fucking filming, dumbass. You're retarded. Stop filming. Just get in.
Fine.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
That a not great idea.
That was fun though.
Eat it in like
Yeah.
Pepsi.
Wanna watch?
You want this back? I'm not staying.
Where you going?
Back
Very
inside.
particular about how you do it.
How do you like it when you can't see through your eyes, Hampos? I'm kind of Toby's editor, in a way.
He should pay you. You start charging.
I want to get paid. He wouldn't though.
Yeah, no, Toby wouldn't, but you could probably. Dude, Toby is bad. Jesus Christ. That was shit. That was so bad.
Like a bit more. Michael still found out a way to run over the stair. A little bit. What the fuck are you doing? Yeah, I do.
He's farmer.
What
Fuck.
the fuck am I doing?
Fuck you, bitch.
Get the fuck back here, cats! I mean, where's my keys? Keys aren't gonna
Why are you bouncing? Bouncing, Mike.
I already have to do